Welcome to Bike Buzz, your trusted source for all things two-wheel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cruiser motorcycles on the market, the 2025 BMW R18. Known for its retro styling and modern engineering, the R18 has carved a unique space for itself in the cruiser segment. Let's explore what's new, what remains legendary, and why this bike continues to captivate riders world with finish. Classic design, modern touches. The 2025 BMW R18 proudly retains its vintage-inspired design, staying true to its heritage while integrating subtle updates that reflect BMW's evolving design language. The long, low-profile, exposed drive shaft, and teardrop fuel tank remain signature elements, paying homage to the 1936 BMW R5. However, the 2025 model introduces updated trim options, new paint schemes, and improved chrome finishes that lend the bike a sharper, more refined look. Optional customization packages allow riders to personalize everything from handlebars to seats, and even exhaust finishes. The heart of a legend, big boxer engine. At the core of the 2025 R18 is BMW's powerful 1,802 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled, big boxer engine. Producing around 91 horsepower and an impressive 116 lb-ft of torque, the engine delivers immense low-end grunt, making the ride effortlessly smooth and muscular. It's designed to provide that classic cruiser feel, a throaty rumble and a strong, steady pull, but with modern fuel efficiency and refined throttle response. The exposed drive shaft still steals the show, visually reinforcing the bike's mechanical soul. Updated tech without losing soul. While the R18 leans heavily into classic styling, the 2025 version doesn't skimp on modern technology. It now features BMW's latest electronic ride modes, including rock, roll, and rain, which adjust throttle response and traction control to match road conditions and rider preference. The integrated cruise control, cornering ABS, and dynamic engine brake control all come standard, ensuring safety is never compromised. A redesigned TFT display blends traditional analog aesthetics with intuitive digital features, keeping you informed without disrupting the bike's vintage charm. Ride quality and comfort. BMW has worked to fine-tune the 2025 R18's ride dynamics, offering a smoother experience across various road surfaces. The frame geometry and suspension settings have been slightly adjusted for improved cornering performance, without sacrificing comfort. The telescopic fork and cantilever rear suspension offer adequate travel and responsiveness for both solo and two-up riding. Optional features like heated grips, a touring seat, and cruise windshields are available for those planning longer journeys. Variants and special editions. For 2025, BMW continues to offer multiple R18 variants, including the R18 Classic, R18 Roctane, and R18B Bagger. Each caters to a different style of rider. The Classic brings in vintage touring vibes with saddlebags and windshields, while the Roctane offers a darker, more performance-oriented aesthetic. The R18B, meanwhile, is built for long-distance cruising with integrated infotainment and larger fairings. BMW has also announced a limited-run R18 100 Years Edition, celebrating a century of BMW Motorrad, featuring black storm metallic paint and hand-applied pinstripes. Customization culture. One of the most exciting aspects of the R18 is how it embraces the custom bike culture. BMW has collaborated with top builders worldwide to create jaw-dropping R18 custom builds, and the 2025 model continues to support easy modifications. From plug-and-play components to complete custom kits, the R18 is a blank canvas for creative riders. BMW's modular design approach allows you to swap out parts without major mechanical overhaul, making this cruiser an ideal base for personal expression. Competition and market position. In the heavyweight cruiser segment, the 2025 R18 continues to go head-to-head with American icons like the Harley-Davidson Softail lineup and the Indian Chief. While those competitors lean heavily into V-twin tradition, the R18 sets itself apart with its unique boxer engine layout and European craftsmanship. It appeals to riders who want heritage without giving up performance or modern safety features. BMW has positioned the R18 as a premium, refined alternative that doesn't try to mimic the American formula. It builds its own legacy. Pricing and availability. The 2025 BMW R18 starts at approximately $15,500, with higher trims like the R18B and special editions commanding prices upward of $19,000 to $21,000 depending on configuration and accessories. Dealership availability begins mid-2025 in most markets, with global shipping and order customization options accessible through BMW's online platform. Final thoughts. The soul of the cruiser lives on. The 2025 BMW R18 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. A tribute to the past that doesn't shy away from innovation. It's for the rider who appreciates timeless design, mechanical purity, and road-commanding power. Whether you're a long-time cruiser enthusiast or someone looking to experience the old-school charm with new-school reliability, the R18 delivers in all aspects. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzz. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, news, and insights from the world of motorcycles. Ride safe and see you on the next one. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version or a variant focused on a specific R18 model.